Welcome to 1000x Media, a comprehensive guide, course, and a membership for complete beginners to online business, course, content, and digital product creation. This is a complete and a systematic approach to starting and growing an online business. I help coaches, consultants, online content creators, and thought leaders to start a sustainable brand and build their first product. My name is Gamel with over 200,000 plus followers across all social media platforms, 24,000 plus students, 10 plus courses, and 24 plus ebooks written. And I'm going to help you do the same by taking you through four simple steps: branding, creation, systemizing, and scaling. These are the four components you need to have a successful online business. Firstly, we're going to learn how to brand. So you create a sustainable brand and image for yourself that drives trust and literally drives sales for you organically. Secondly, we're going to learn how to create sustainable content for our organic marketing strategy, and also create our first digital product, be it a course, a membership, a cohort, or an ebook. Thirdly, we're going to learn how to systemize. I believe in working hard and working smart. We're going to implement the use of certain tools, AI, and also free tools actually out there that can help you to systemize your activities, how to streamline your work to make it easier so you can actually run the business by yourself. And finally, we are going to learn how to sell. We're going to learn organic marketing and organic sales. And plus, we're going to also learn how to do paid ads. These are the only four steps to be profitable. And I'm going to break it down through our courses and also our live sections that we're going to be having on our school platform. I'm going to teach you exactly how I'm able to post 3 times a day, managing 2 accounts. And I'm also going to teach you how to create your first course, your first ebook, and a cohort or a membership. Very easy. So we're going to incorporate into our systems free tools that are going to help us to streamline and become more productive, because content creation is all about the systems that you implement that will help you to go faster in everything that you're doing. So you work faster, you work smarter as well. And finally, we're going to learn how to sell, mostly organic marketing, because if we set up our branding properly, it's going to naturally draw attention to us. But I'm also going to teach you how to run paid ads as well to draw attention to your own product. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm hosting this program and this cohort on the school platform. You can either opt in for the monthly membership or the yearly membership, and you'll be with us, and we'll be having weekly live calls with me. And I'm going to guide you through these four simple steps. I believe in starting an online business must be easy, simple, easy to follow. That's why I break it down to these four steps. Whatever stage that you find yourself, we're going to go through these four steps, and I believe you're going to find value in any one of these steps, and you're going to start and grow an online business. For further details and to join us, click the link in my bio or click the link down here